Pezzolotto TLA13 is designed to handle logs up to 510mm in diameter, as well as large and heterogeneous mixed wood bundles. The automation capabilities of Firewood processors help minimize human impact and increase production efficiency. In Sweden, the Brännholz Firewood processor can produce very good quality firewood. Sawdust and rice husks are separated in this process. The machine's smart and easy to use design helps the operator easily adjust and operate the machine most effectively. The AM80BD chipper chops branches and other wood scraps into 60 to 120mm long pieces, with a maximum branch diameter of 80mm. This machine is equipped with a gasoline engine and a capacity of 7 horsepower. Wheels are also installed on the frame of the shredder, helping you to easily move the shredder to where it's needed. LogCut MC S40 allows operators to easily and efficiently perform wood cutting and splitting tasks that normally require 2 to 3 people and a few more tools. This firewood processing machine is not only a smart choice, but also a worthwhile investment for business development. Birchwood is known to be a very hard wood, but it's not difficult for the 24-part split blade of the Hacky Pilky 55 Pro. The power of the Woodpecker RP300 machine is undeniable, with a powerful engine ensuring continuous and stable working performance in all working conditions. The City Firewood 1300mm circular saw has all functions automatically, including measuring the length of the log and calculating the cut length evenly within tolerance. For dividing wedges with automatic decision making based on piece size and automatic centering of the log within the wedge. By feeding the tree into the human machine input, the Clappy Tuiko firewood processor takes care of the rest, quickly chopping the tree into firewood. The Bilky Firewood processor with spiral blade can cut and shed wood at the same time. It is considered to work very quickly and be easy to use. Cord King CS2740 Model 60 is capable of splitting wood in 18 directions, with less energy and faster speed. The Pilkmaster Super Machine cuts and saws according to a guillotine principle, suitable for heavy wood. Combining the portability and efficiency of the Pilkmaster Firewood processor in a whole new way, it is full of features as standard and designed to withstand all weather conditions. This hacky-pilky 55 Pro Firewood processing machine is not only a smart choice, but also a worthwhile investment for business development. Spaltfast is the first 1 meter log splitter in its range and is another real innovation from BASTING. The 5.5 kilowatt double shaft chipper can quickly cut and process long trees up to 10 centimeters in diameter into small pieces of firewood. The Rapido Loco 60 firewood processor has a high capacity and extremely fast processing capabilities. It can split 6 large trees per hour. With sharp cutting blades and a sturdy spindle system, this machine not only ensures quality firewood output, but also minimizes technical problems and issues. This 2013 Cubic 2 Vedfabric firewood processing machine is truly the pinnacle of technology, with the ability to process firewood with a capacity of up to hundreds of cubic meters per hour. An impressive figure for any manufacturer. The logs are rolled onto the chute and delivered to the table. Once in position, the log is cut and then falls into a sawing chute. The firewood processor's advanced arm moves the log to the next cutting position, while the feeding arm cuts the pieces from the splitter. For use as firewood for small heaters, the Pezzolotto PTH 1300 wood chipper helps process large trees into chips, serving as firewood. The perfect combination of advanced technology and convenient features make this machine stand out in the industry. Similarly, the Olback 2000 machine in Sweden also specializes in chopping wood into small firewood. It meets many different uses. Every time we experience a firewood processing machine, we are surprised by the power and convenience it brings to the production process. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and follow the channel to support us. See you in the next video.